Welcome back to SRC.
It's Science Week.
And today we'll be reading Ada Twist Scientist by Andrea Beatty.
We'll also be making this fun color spinner, so stay tuned.
If you'd like to listen to Ada Twist Scientist, click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, today we are doing a color spinner craft, so let's dive in.
For this craft, we will need these resources. To start, a piece of cardstock, and then 8 pieces of construction paper of various colors. A glue stick, a glue gun, a safety pin, scissors, a skewer, and optionally a circle hole punch about 4 centimeters in diameter. But if you don't have that, you can just cut the circles out with your scissors. So we're going to start by punching out our 4 circles using our circle hole punch, but you can use scissors if you don't have one of these at home. Next, we're going to cut out strips of paper about 2.5 centimeters thick. We need 8 of these strips of paper. Then you're going to cut these strips out. There should be 8 different colors, or you could use multiple of the same color. It's up to you. It's whatever you have at home. Next, you're going to add glue to this circle and then evenly space out these pieces of paper off of the circle. Once these are glued down, you are going to add another circle to seal it, so it should be the circle, the strips of paper, and then another circle. And then you're going to take another circle and stack it on top of that without gluing it down to the second circle. And then you are going to do the same method for the top of the spinner that you did for the bottom, so that there is a continuous shape of the strips of paper. You are also going to seal the top of your spinner with another circle, and that should be your 4th circle. And then this is the shape that you should have. So it's attached on both ends, like so. So now you're going to take your safety pin and you're going to put a hole into the top and the bottom of the spinner in the middle of those top and bottom circles. Next, you're going to feed through the skewer so that it's through the bottom circle and then just through the top circle so that the point is just above the top circle. Then you're going to add a dollop of glue to stop the skewer from turning when you turn your spinner. And you're going to do the same for the bottom half of that top circle as well, but you are not going to glue down the bottom half of your spinner. So continue gluing just to make sure that the skewer doesn't move when you spin your spinner. We decided to make 2 different spinners. This one was with colored white paper, so it's thinner paper than construction paper that we use for the other spinner. So it's the exact same method. This one is just made with different paper. This is what the spinner looks like when it's done.
Alright you guys, these are our 2 final products, so I'll show you how they work. This one is the construction paper, and it's a little bit longer, so it's a little bit more flimsy. So that's how that works. And then this one is made out of colored white paper, so it's a little bit thinner. So I'll show you how that works. So they both turned out pretty good. Hope you guys had fun.
Thanks for tuning in.